Do you want to know how to sell your book? Today I'm going to tell you some of the ways using which you can promote your book easily. Stay tuned. Today we are going to discuss about the book promotion, how to promote your book. What are the various ways using which we can promote our book? So let us discuss that. So the very first thing is plan a book launch. So you can plan a book launch once your book is finished, your book is published. You can go for a book launch. And a book launch is successful only when you invite some dignitaries there. So that lot of people are there. You may have to invest something in that, but there will be lot many people, and most of the people in book launch will be buying your book. So this is the very first thing. Second thing is get your book endorsed by a well-known person in your field. So find out who are the people who are doing well in their field. And if you can get hold of them, you can reach to them and get your book endorsed by them. Nothing like that. I know it is not possible for everyone, but if you can do that, this will give you a cutting edge. Third thing is get 100 plus Amazon reviews. So when your book is on Amazon, try to get at least 100 reviews. If you get 100 reviews or more, your book is going to sell easily. Because whenever people are looking for your book or related books and they see so many reviews are there, and try to get these reviews as a genuine reviews. It can be from your friends, your family, but should be a genuine review. And most of the people should have bought your book, because otherwise people would make out ki it is not a genuine review and they will ignore those reviews. But even if it is 100 reviews, uh, then obviously most of the reviews will be the genuine one. Fourth one is make an attractive book video trailer. Make a trailer of your book, video trailer, and in that trailer you tell your target audience about the book. Have a book in your hand, that this is my book, and pointing to your book, you can tell that these are the things you are going to you have explained in the book, and what are the benefits the readers are going to get once they read the book. So make a small 1 to 3 minutes video, not more than that, and it will be very helpful. And give that video to everyone. Send it across the internet wherever you can send it. You can send it that particular video trailer to every person. Use social media, right? You can use YouTube. Make a series of videos based on the topic of your book. Apart from video trailer can also be on YouTube. And after that, you make a series of videos. Series number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us say you are making a book on parenting. So you can make some parenting videos, maybe 5, 7 parenting videos. Those are free videos. You can give those videos as a free lesson also. That will help you in getting further business as well. But that will help you in selling your book as well. Give the link of the book in the description, and at the end of every video, tell your target audience, tell your audience to buy that book, that these are the things they will get in the book. And because video is obviously a summary, and they will get much more when they read the book. Likewise, Facebook. Go to Facebook, join various groups related to your topic. I have given the example of parenting, so go to the groups of parenting in Facebook and join those groups, and there you can give your link of your book, or maybe you can uh, give some suggestions to their problems, and then you can start conversation with the people, and then after some time you can send them the link individually. The same thing on your Facebook page and profile. Whatever videos you are making, you can put all the videos on all the social media platforms. Another one is Instagram, which is getting very famous nowadays. So use Insta in the same way. Maybe you can use IGTV in that. Maybe you can send some posts, and in that post you give the link of your book, or maybe it can be a small 1-minute video, whatever. Twitter, again, start tweeting there. LinkedIn, the same thing which we have done for the Facebook. So here also join groups related to your field and post them frequently, again on your LinkedIn page as well. Then go to Quora. Quora is a very growing platform, and there people are asking questions. So find out the questions related to your field, start answering those questions there, and after the questions just write a link there that if you want to know more, you can click on this link to get the book where you will be learning these things. Another important is TikTok, which is getting importance nowadays, and lot of coaches also are coming on the TikTok. So on TikTok also you can appear very frequently. It can be short messages also, it can be short video also, whatever you want to give, and start appearing there, because the people are there, target audience are going there. So wherever the target audience is going, you go there. And there may be some other social media platform like Pinterest and all these things, so you can use those platform as well, right? The sixth point is start writing blogs. Continue writing blogs related to your topic, and in each of the blog give the link to download your book. It can be paid downloadable or it can be free downloadable. That is up to you. For some time it may be free downloadable also, and after some time you can make it paid, or if you want to keep it paid as directly, that is also fine. But as long as you are giving value in the blogs, there are chances that they are going to buy the book. Seventh is podcasts. Start making podcast. Again, it's like a video series with audio series. It's like a audio series. As you have made the video series on YouTube, a similar kind of audio series can be made on these podcast platforms. And again, the link of book has to be given everywhere. Whatever you are doing, you are sending the link at each of these platforms, right? Then you can have promotions in seminar or webinar. So whenever you are doing some webinar, you can promote your book and give a link that this is available at discount for you guys because you have attended the webinar. And because it is a very nominal price, people are likely to buy this. Same way in the seminar also. And it will help you in overcoming the cost of seminar halls and seminar venue, etc. Likewise, the cost of webinar and acquiring leads, some of the part of the cost will be taken care by the book. Ninth point is you can connect with popular bookstores. You can go to the head office of these bookstores and ask them to place your book at their bookstores across the country or wherever they are placed. They will obviously charge for that. Normally these charges are very high. So if your book is not selling regularly, then it can be a loss making affair for you. So be careful in that, but you can try it out at least for once. Free promotion with only shipping charges. You can promote your book for free and you are asking only for the shipping charges. You might have seen so many ads nowadays that this book is completely free. You only have to pay the shipping charges. And in shipping charges, what you are doing, you are basically overcoming the cost of the book. So it is not a loss to you, right? So you are overcoming the complete cost and it is not a loss. And one more point is use Kindle's free promotion platform. On Kindle, you can promote your book for free or maybe at discounted price for 5 days in 90 days window. You can use that platform, and because you are giving away the book, more people are going to buy it, and it is likely that you are getting reviews from them as well. And because of that, your book is coming up in the algorithm and it is more likely to get sold in future. So these are the 11 points which I wanted to discuss with you, and you can use any of these or all of these. In fact, you should use all of these things, these points, uh, so that your book is well promoted and you are getting revenue out of it.